All right. Paul and Dan did a fantastic job with our door, our screen door, and picture window. They matched everything perfectly to our other existing window with the trim, and their choice of all the pieces were just fantastic. It's beautiful, even better than we expected. And I'll show you outside. Oh, it's smooth as butter. I love this. So wonderful. They worked so great with the logs, and the chinking here they did was just so expertly done. We are absolutely thrilled. They did the 45-degree angle at the top for a little character, which we had before and we wanted, and they did as we requested. It's just beautiful. We have to stain it now. We've got stain to match everything on the inside and the out, but we are absolutely thrilled and will highly recommend you guys. These two gentlemen just did a fantastic job again, and we enjoyed having them here for the day. And they cleaned up and kept things clean and then cleaned up, and we're just thrilled. Thank you, Renewal by Andersen.